My name is Gilbert Wandera. I'm the manager of IoT Contractors. What I do in IoT Contractors, I'm in charge of all the machinery and the road construction of the company. The company was established way back in 1995 as a beer distributor. Then come 2013, we saw in our rural setting lack of infrastructure, and we thought that was a market niche, and we could venture into it and help our people since we are rural based. So we ventured into construction. We usually do buildings and road construction as our major activity. Then come 2018, we procured these road construction machineries from MAN Trucks. We have 4 machines. We have one excavator, D320, usually used in mostly on the roadworks. We use it on drain excavation and road formation. Then we have 2 graders, CAT 140K, which they're used for grading, light and heavy grading, backslope, and roadworks. Then the 4th machine is a Baco 426F. We mainly use it for trenching, for culvert works, and movement of material on site. I chose Caterpillar mostly because of the good after-sale market support. Usually, we've also used other machines, but the Caterpillar machines that we have or we own, they are very efficient. Then, and our sales rep, who is Mr. Kibe, is always visiting. Wants to know what we have or what we don't have, and in case of any mechanical breakdown, the CAT technicians are just a phone call away through Mr. Kibe. So basically, we saw the CAT machines in terms of productivity and cutting costs. They are very more effective than compared to other machines. The most important thing to us, I would say, is the aftermarket support, because mostly when you are new with these machines, in case of breakdown, you'll get so many options in the market, like in terms of spares, those cheap spares. But you've tried, but you've seen where it pains, because after using those cheaper parts, in the long term, we end up spending more. But if you use the CAT spares, mostly they last longer. At least they can reach the service period of 250 hours when you use the CAT filters. There's an example. We had an S grader. We purchased an S grader. First, the engine power is too low, because roadworks, you always encounter some swampy areas. Yeah? The S grader could not move in a swampy area. When you come to roadworks, the final finish, we usually do a back slope. That grader could not do a back slope. But for a CAT machine, it's very efficient when it comes to that. And the engine power is excellent. For example, the fuel filters, which are used for service, I can use that as an example. The non-CAT parts, they are cheaper in the market when you go to pricing, but they cannot last the 250 hours because you'll experience fuel problems in the engine. You have to change that filter twice before the service time reaches. So at long last, you end up spending more. At the end of the day, you realize that aftermarket support will help you save on costs. Because if you maintain your machine The service time is always service at the right time. If you procure, mostly those oils and greases that we procure through PCC to cut, they help us a lot because we procure in advance. So in case of service, we have already the materials on site, so we just do it. It saves on time, and since we do government contracts, the contract always has a time frame. So if your machines are up and running reliably, you'll finish your project in good time, and you get paid in time. It saves you money in the long run. Yeah, I'll use an example of, let's say, medicine. Yeah, in case you have malaria, you go to a chemist. I use the generic and the original drugs. If you use a generic drug, it's cheap, yeah, but you'll treat malaria 4 or 3 times. But if you use an original drug, yeah, which is not generic, it's just one time and you are healed and you're up and running. So those are cut spares for you. No, we have our own service team and we have our own yard, but we procure spares from cuts and the oils and greases. We prefer to use our own workshop. Basically, just about cost and you see timing. Most of us, we are at the end. We are on the last. In fact, we are the gateway to another country. We are at the border between Kenya and Uganda. So now it's on the far end. So if we rely on the cut service team, okay, they will respond, but maybe they can come later. Most of the time, our sites are in the interiors where movement is a problem. But we have a service team and we have a product. When the service time is reaches, they just come and you're up and running after a few minutes. Parts.cut.com, it's very good because it's efficient, yeah. It's quick. You can order your parts from wherever you are. You check the availability of the parts. And the best thing about that parts.cut.com, if you order, they deliver to your doorstep. So they save you the hassle of going to the shop to bring those parts, especially for us who are at the border. By the way, using that, it saves you a lot of hassle, because by using parts.com, I simply log in, I see the availability of parts. In case of anything, I'll always call our sales rep, who is Mr. Kibe, and he clarifies. And within no time, the parts are delivered at the place. So we basically save time and money. And the paperwork, maybe sending somebody. Yeah. They were used for the grader, mostly for grading, light and heavy grading. And they're very efficient. Like for the bucket tips and the rocky places, they do a wonderful job. And the cutting edge, I think it's of a better gauge. So the road stripping is okay. They lower cost in the long run because the non-cut parts, they wear so easily, especially the cutting edge. When you go to sandy roads, the non-cut parts, they wear so easily, but these ones, they last long and they do a good job. So in the long run, we save on cost. When you're buying parts to them, it's a do it myself kind of policy, and then mostly we get the Mr. Kibe visiting us, doing inspection on the cut machines and advising us accordingly. Mostly, like, we procure the oils and the grease from the cutter in large quantities, so there's no time we run out of stock. In the long run, it saves us the cost. At the end of the day, it saves us cost. They're basically a phone call away, and they're very reliable. And what I like about Mantrac is they are honest. If you order for a part that is not in the stock, they will always give you a time frame. Within a few days, it will be shipped in and you'll get your parts. That is the best thing, by the way. as for the construction company, that is the best thing you can ever get because we work with time frames. We had our excavator had a problem with the turbocharger. We contacted the Mantrax team. They came and replaced it under warranty. That is the best thing that ever did because by that time we only had one excavator and it saved us a lot of time and money. Then recently, our grader had a problem with the connectivity between a new grader. We procured a new grader from Mantrax. Had a problem with the connectivity between the transmission and engine. They replaced the whole cable system under warranty. That is the best thing I can say about Mantrax and the support they're giving us as a company. I've worked with the other local suppliers, but card dealers are better because in the long run you save on costs. As I told you, the quality of the filters, fuel filters from the local market are not good. They can't last the whole service period of 250 hours. I can approve that from experience. Or I will simply recommend to them because, like I said earlier, I'll give them an example of a generic and an original medicine. If you want to save on cost in the long run, I'll advise them to use the cut parts. I've been waiting for that question. I would like to request for hose assembling equipment to be brought near to Western Kenya. Because mostly, you see these hydraulic hoses, in the long run you get problems. But fixing them, you have to move very far.
Okay.
I wish the cut dealers will bring it maybe at Kisumu here, it's nearer than to the border. That will really help us. IoT Contractors is a construction company that is looking forward to be the best in Western and Nyanza region. And whatever support you think you can give us, we will appreciate and we will reciprocate by making sure the whole of our yard is full of cut equipment and parts and services. We want to look for other markets which will bring us problems in the long run, because you will experience that you're saving money by using your cut products. And the after-sale service is so good. I recommend that.